Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Today I am back with another very important and interesting topic, that is biotechnology and tissue culture. Today's topic is biotechnology and tissue culture. Biotechnology. Now students, biotechnology is the branch of biology which utilizes the biological processes, organisms and cells to develop new technologies for human welfare. And in biotechnology, it comprises of tissue culture as well as genetic engineering. So now students, let us now understand something called as Toti potency. Now this word is made up of two separate parts. Toti stands for total and potency comes from the word potential. So it is basically meaning the total potential of something. Now what is that something? Students, totipotency is basically the ability of a cell to divide and differentiate and form a completely new organism. Just from one cell we can get a complete new organism. Now, most of the plant cells are totipotent. This is particularly important because this way we can use any plant cell to grow entire new plant. Usually the vegetative parts of the plants are utilized to grow new plants. Now students, let us understand what is meant by tissue culture. Tissue culture is a technique which occurs in vitro and ex vivo. Now these two words, in vitro and ex vivo, basically mean one and the same thing. In vitro is any process which is occurring in a controlled environment in a test tube or in a petri dish. And ex vivo meaning any particular process which usually occurs inside the biological system, but when it occurs outside in a controlled environment, we use the word ex vivo. Now students, this particular culture is carried on an artificial medium like agar. Agar is a gel-like substance which is obtained from the red algae Gelidium. Moving on students, sometimes cells, tissues, callus or explants are used, which are all utilized and they are procured from plants. Some examples of plants which are grown using tissue culture are orchids, asparagus, chrysanthemum, etc.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.